Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make a healthy milkshake. Take 1.5 cups of water in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of ragi flour and mix well. Ensure that there are no lumps. Cook this over medium flame. When it starts boiling, reduce the flame and cook it for 3 minutes. Turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Take 1 cup of chopped carrot in a pan and add 1 cup of water. Cook this till the carrot becomes soft. Now turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Transfer the ragi mix into a blender. Now add the boiled carrot. Three tablespoons of Jaggery powder, 1 pinch of cardamom powder, and 2 cups of chilled milk. Now blend it till it becomes smooth. Ragi carrot milkshake is ready to serve. Transfer it into a serving glass. Please try it out and post your feedback.